All right, now we're live. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and share. One more thing I forgot to do. All right, guys. So how's everyone doing? Today in this live stream, I am going to be going over the process of turning your PWA into a native Android application using Google's trusted web activities. So before we get started, I'd like to remind everyone to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and tap the notification bell so you're notified whenever I go live. And also, if you are already in the chat, go ahead and do me a solid favor. Please go ahead and like this video, share this video so I can get biggest reach possible. I am 50 subscribers away from reaching the 1,000 subscriber mark. So I really need you guys' help on this. If you guys can please just go ahead and share my page, tell people to watch, etc., etc. I would greatly appreciate it. All this really helps. It really does. And before we get started, let me go ahead and just do my shout outs and whatnot. If you guys are looking for excellent invoicing software for your freelancing needs, I implore everyone to please check out invoiceninja.com. Oh, yeah. So Invoice Ninja is a free open source invoicing and tracking tool for freelancers. Now you can sign up for the free account. They also have a pro account, and they also have a self-hosted GitHub repository if you want to do your own, self-hosting. But I use it for all of my invoicing needs. You can do your regular invoices. You can set up projects. You can set up your expenses. It's really, really, really awesome. I have a link in my description to sign up using my affiliate ID. Like I said, it's free forever. But for those who do have multiple contractors or multiple employees and multiple clients that need to manage and whatnot, need an enterprise plan, they can go ahead and check that out. One of the cool things I love about it is all of the payment options supported. You can use Stripe, PayPal, WePay, Authorize.net, Checkout.com, and over 40 more. Me personally, I just use Stripe because it just makes things a lot easier. So like I said, guys, if you just check out the link in my description, you can see and sign up. So they have the free forever plan for $0 a month. You get 100 clients, unlimited invoices and quotes. For most people, that's going to be good for a while. You can also do the Ninja Pro plan, which is $8 a month. If you pay yearly, then you get 2 months free. And that gives you unlimited clients. You get 10 professional invoice and quotation templates. You get your own custom URL. And then, of course, you have the enterprise plan, which gives you even more. So let's head back to what we were doing. So today I'm going to be going through the process of showing you how to take your PWA and turn it into a native Android application using Google's trusted web activity. Now, in order to do this, you must have a PWA. And so we're going to make a simple Laravel view application that's just going to generate an inspiring quote using the default PHP Artisan Inspire package that is built into the application. So it won't be doing a whole bunch of, actually won't be doing any database work. But because this isn't what this is about. This is about taking your PWA, no matter what that PWA is, and turn it into a native mobile application. So I went ahead and created the application. So I pushed to GitHub, and here we have right here, Inspire. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to the controller thank you for that subscription. Who was that? Sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once. Thank you, Alex Grutter, for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So we're going to head over to our controller. We're going to go... Oh, actually, no, we don't need control. We need to go to routes. So we're going to go to the web route. And here we have our landing page. It returns welcome. So let's keep that up. And then let's head over to console. And here we have our artisan console command, which just uses the inspiring package and grabs a quote. So for the sake of brevity, we're just going to grab this, head over here. We're going to put this right here. We're going to grab this quote static function. And we're just simply going to pass in this quote into our view. All right, so this should be able to go. Now we should be able to go to our resources, views, welcome.blade.php. Maybe app name, blah, 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 blah. And we're going to make this our quote. We can get rid of the links. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put the links to my website here. How about that? Creator. What do we do? com/c/Jerome Parker. Go ahead and add my Twitter. And let's add the GitHub too. All right, so we have this. Now we're going to save and show quote in on welcome. Commit to master. We're going to push that. I already have Laravel Forge set up with the continuous integration, so that will pop up in a few minutes. We just head over to https inspire.jeromeparker.com. And once again, guys, if you're watching, please share this video with others so we can get more people in here watching. All right, so that's still going. Or maybe I didn't. So let me make sure I set up the continuous integration. All right, so we got inspire, jeromeparker.com. Enable quick deploy. There we go. All right, so now we're going to deploy that. All right, that's done. Let me just finish sending this tweet out. I'm going to. So now that's done. So let's refresh the page. Boom. So now we have, it gets a quote, very little is needed to make a happy life, Marcus Antonius. And then of course we have the Meet the Creator, YouTube, blah, blah, blah. So let's refresh. It's another one, simplicity is ultimate sophistication, Leonardo da Vinci. One more time, where there is no desire, all things are peace, lousy. All right, cool. So now that part is done. So now we're gonna head over to PWA Builder, which is simply pwabuilder.com. Now this is an amazing web app that will parse your website and give you everything needed for it to be a web application or progressive web application. So here we're just going to simply put in inspire.jeromeparker.com. We're going to get started. It does not have a manifest, obviously, so we're going to generate the web manifest, and it doesn't have a service worker. So let's generate the manifest. Let's go open up a new tab. All right, so the name is, we're just going to call it Inspire. Inspire. Shows a random inspiration quote. Start URL is going to be https inspire.jeromeparker.com. And images, we're going to upload image. And let's head over to programs and then Inspire. Then we're going to go public and we're going to grab Inspire logo.png. We do not want to generate missing images. Submit. Settings, app scope, display. We want this to be in standalone mode. And it's in English, orientation, any background color. That's fine. Done. Oh no, snap. All right, awesome. So we have all this right here. So we're going to copy. We're going to head over to the public folder. We're going to add a new file. We're going to call it manifest.json. I'm going to paste this and we're going to call this right here. This is what I call it, inspire logo.png. Yeah. All right. Inspire logo.png. We're going to save that. And now we're going to head over to the service worker tab. So of course we want to, we got to have offline page or whatever, but just for the sake of brevity, we're going to do advanced caching. And what this does is this generates, it generates the script for registering the service worker and actually gives us the script for the actual service worker. So let's copy this. This is what we put in the script tag. We're gonna put this right here. All right, cool. So this is going to register the service worker, and then we need to actually copy this. We need to name it PWA builder-sw.js. So we're going to go here. We're going to do new file, PWA builder-sw.js. Paste this here. All right, cool. So we're going to call this Inspire. Replace this name .html. We're going to call this offline.html. We'll just copy this, or rather, we'll just duplicate this, and now we're just going to do this like this. New file. We're going to call this offline.html. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of the links. And we're going to say you must be online in order to use this application. And we can get rid of this as well. And I'm going to call this Inspire. All right, save. And avoid caching, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So we're going to replace this. Offline.html. Okay. And I believe that is everything. Go save that. And we're going to push our PWA complete push. And all right, that's doing the deployment. So while that's doing that, now let's go back over here. And let's rerun it. Oh no. Oh, I forgot to add this. Oh no, it's offline. You go to local. PWA builder.js. All right, cool. Did that push? That pushed. All right, boom. Got a 40 out of 40. So okay. Add this to landing. Oh, I'm dumb. I'll put this up at the top. And navigator, register. All right, so that should be done. Just go here. I'm gonna go inspect and we're gonna go to application. Get rid of this, and let's head over. No matching service worker detected. PWA. Okay. What's going on here? All right. Okay. So it's there. Address code. Okay. This is annoying. Ugh. Service workers there. What? Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. I forgot my app manifest. Let me check something. So let me go. Okay, got the manifest right there. Let's do this right here. PWA builder -SW. Okay, testing. I don't know why it's not. Okay, we got some errors. Request failed. Okay, so now it says that registered. Okay. All right, so let's see. What? All right, let's see. All right, so I don't know what's going on there, but I'm going to assume that it is installed. This will let me know if it's not. So the next part, after you generate the service worker and you generate the manifest.json, there's this wonderful app by App Maker called APK to or PWA to APK. So here you provide your PWA URL. So we're going to do inspire.jeromeparker.com. So we got the name, Inspire. We're going to put my email. We're going to create. So then it generates your app. Takes a few moments. And while that's doing that, I'll go ahead and share back on Twitter. All right. So after it generates, you have to download this asset links.json file. And what this will do is that basically it verifies ownership of this PWA. Uses the trusted web activity with Google, which basically allows you to upload this public private verification file, and lets Google know, hey, this is your PWA, so we have permissions to render it. And also, there's like mapping of the web APIs and native APIs. So here we're going to go to the public folder. We're going to create a new folder called .well-known, which is a hidden folder. Let's head over here, open up a new tab, and we're going to move downloads asset link.json to programs inspire public.well-known. All right, stage. So we look this up, asset links.json. Here we have, you have the SHA-256 cert fingerprints, the name, the space, etc., etc., etc. So we're going to push this. Oh. All right, well, that's deploying. Let's go ahead and double check by going to, let's go ahead and close this, /.well-known/ asset links.json. All right, cool, it's there. All right, so we're going to do that. So now it gives us our APK. It gives us our source code, which will have the trusted web activity and stuff in there, and it gives us our certificate with the alias, key store, and password. So we're going to just hit download. That's the properties. We're going to download certificate. We're going to download the source code. And really the only thing we need is the APK. Now, really the biggest reasons why I love using this method is because all you have to do to update your app is update your PWA. You don't have to go through the whole process of pushing out a new App Store release. So here we have the Inspire APK. Now we're going to go over to Google Play application, or the Google Play console. We're going to create a new application, and we're going to call this Inspire. Now, of course, I'm not expecting to do anything with this app, so I'm not going to go through the whole process of making a really verbose description, etc., etc. Need to generate the icons and all that good stuff. So, and then of course, you have to upload your icon. You need to upload at least 2 screenshots and your featured graphic. I'm not going to go through all that right now. So I'm just going to save this draft. All right, and so the draft is saved. Now we're going to go over to app releases. We're going to go to production and manage. I'm going to create a release. Let Google manage certificates. Okay. And we're going to just drop this APK right up in there. Icon. The icon inside your APK or Android app bundle is not valid. I've never seen this error before. Okay. Copy. Let's go over here. Okay, definitely. Okay, that's really weird. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, I already have. It should be in my email. And let's go there. Yep, there it is right there. Let's go ahead and try to install it on my phone. Currently stores accidental files. Alright, had to set my permissions. And Inspire APK. Let's go ahead and download. Alright, so we're going to open up and okay. So it installed on my phone. It's running on my phone. Okay. All right. That's a little annoying. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's because, let's see. Google icon generator. Let's try this. We're going to do image. We're going to grab this. Save. Icon launcher. Well, because the image was too big. Is that what it was? The image was too big. Alright, cool. So let's move this to the desktop because I'm lazy. Okay. Alright, whatever. Let's go back to the store listing. Add high-res icon. Let's go to the desktop. Alright, there's that. Now let's do the featured graphic. Alright, I'm going to do inspiring quotes. And get inspired. Alright. And download. Let's go back over here and inspiring quotes. And save draft. And let's see. Now I need to do a screenshot, so make this available everywhere. I can't do that yet. No, it does not have ads. Go ahead, save. App content. Start 13, 15, 17, 18 plus. It's not eligible. Okay, submit. Let's try this again. Hurry up. Downloads. No. Sorry, right. The icon inside your app is not valid. I'm not understanding. I think it's because this is too big, to be honest. Let's see. Do I still have visor? I think I still got visor. Yep. Bow, visor. All right, so I'm just going to show you what the app looks like on my mobile device. Since it's tripping, I think I got to get my, I need to go get my cord. Hold on 1 second. All right, here we go. So let's plug in the phone. Let's find a device. Got my Samsung. And oh, do I have to download the Visor app or something? Let's see. Yeah. Open. Login. USB debugging enabled. Yeah. All right, let's exit reload Visor. How about that? Goodness gracious, this is making me upset. About time, God. Allow. Okay, what's really going on here? All right. Sorry, guys. Give me a moment. This is being stupid. I'm just going to download the standalone. Y'all being serious right now. Wow. Okay. We will get this working. Is the icon added to your app? Yeah. It was, the icon was generated off the web manifest. So I think the problem is because the icon was like 2000 by 1000 or something like that. So I'm going to redo it with it being 512. Oh, do I not have US debugging on? I could have sworn I had it on. Hold on. Yeah, it's on. That's... Goodness gracious. Alright. Here, why don't I go ahead and just show it from... Ah, this is annoying. Alright, go ahead and just close this since this ain't working. Let me... Let me go ahead and just enable my camera real quick. There, turn on the light. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what what it looks like on here. So Inspire. So if you can see, there you go. I don't know if you can see that. See that or not, but there is the actual Inspire application when I downloaded the APK on my phone. So if you tap that, you see we have the application. Inspiration. What did I say? Ooh, this is not responsive. Ooh, it's not responsive at all, but you know, there's the app. You see there's no URL bar. It opens up standalone mode. And there's everything like that. So yeah, I'm pretty sure what it is that the icon image is too big. So what I'm going to do is open up Photopea. I'm going to open let's see, we're going to go to Jerome Parker. We'll go to Programs. We're going to go to Inspire. We're going to go to Public. We're going to go Inspire.png. All right. So now we're going to go to Image. We're going to go to Adjustments. We're going to go to, where's it at? Oh, Image Size. We're going to make this about 12, about 531. And then we're going to export as PNG. We're going to save. I'm going to copy that right over. Come on. Any day now. All right, cool. Let's go to downloads. Let's remove this. And let's put this. All right. New size. McMaster, we're going to push that. Now let's regenerate this. That. Don't want to do that. Submit. Copy. I'll just copy this part actually. All right, so we're going to adjust the size of that. Go and push. All right, now let's go back here. And we're just gonna do all this over again. I guess while I'm doing this, go ahead and take my screenshots. All right, cool. Download the file. Let's open it up. And go ahead and Bluetooth this over to the Mac. Oh, I got Bluetooth turned off. It opened up Xcode to do that. Oh my gosh. Quit. Nano downloads asset is a JSON. Copy that, and we're gonna go over here. I'll paste that. I'll save that. All right, upload that new one. All right, we're gonna skip. Now let's try this download. Boom. All right, that's what it was. It was the icon. All right, cool. So we're gonna do initial release. I'm gonna save. Go review. All right, cool. So now we can go do the content rating. We're gonna continue. Valid email address. This is, I guess, utility. No. Oh God, no. Save questionnaire. All right. Calculate rating. Apply rating. Now we're gonna go to pricing distribution. This is a free app. No, we're not breaking any US export laws. Save draft. Go to app content. All right, so now I gotta do these screenshots. So let me go ahead and share these to the Mac. And we'll use trusty old Photopea. And boom, okay, that's sending. That's sending. All right, and then we're gonna open. All right. Now I go. Where do Bluetooth? I go to downloads. So let's go update. So I can get these. Application. Productivity. Where the heck did it go? Oh, sending failed. That might be the reason. All right, sure. Screenshots are like the worst part of this whole thing, in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna do your own iMac. All right, did that work? Let's see. Go to downloads. I don't see it. You know what? I'm just about to email it to myself. This is annoying. All right. Let's see. Let's go Gmail. Oh my god. It's taking forever. All right, gonna email to myself. Got screenshots. We're going to attach files. We'll add another one. Send. All right, let's get out of here. Go back here. We're gonna go gmail.com. Screenshots. download. Now let's go back to here and let's open. Oh, yeah. Let's go to downloads. We're going to do screenshot, open. All right, so now we're going to make the image size 1000 by 2000. Got to have a 1:1 aspect ratio. Boom. And then we're going to export as JPEG. Save. And then we're going to grab this one. And we're going to open this one. Wait, which one did I? And then we're going to go to image size 1000, 2000, save, export as JPEG, save. All right, so I'm gonna grab this one, go over to this, go to store listing. Go ahead and add this one over here. And we're going to save the draft. That's done. We're going to go to manage. We're going to edit the release. We're going to review. Start again. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not adding a privacy policy. So I'm just gonna make it 18 plus. I'm not doing all that right now. We're gonna put the children and submit. All right, now we have all green check marks. It's time to go to app release. We go to manage under production. We go to edit releases. And we go to review. And we start rollout to production. Your app will now become available to all users of the Google Play Store. Do you want to continue? You hit confirm. And it's rolling out. So it takes anywhere from 30 minutes to a day for an app to be on the store. So once that is on the store, I will do a follow-up video and post a link. Now, like I said, this app is not really meant to do anything. It was just to show you the process of how easy it is to actually make a APK out of a PWA. So just for the sake of brevity, we made this app with Laravel and Vue. No, we didn't do much Vue. We're using the PWA Builder web app from pwabuilder.com to generate our manifest.json and our service workers. We're using the PWA to APK app by appmaker.xyz to build an Android app using the trusted web activities specification. I'm going to go ahead and download all this just in case. and then we're uploading to the App Store. So for everyone who's been watching, once again, I want to thank you. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video if it helps you. If you all have any questions, now would be the time to ask in these next 5 minutes while I'm wrapping things up. And once again, guys, remember this video is brought to you by Invoice Ninja. If you are looking for some excellent free open source invoicing software, you can head over to invoiceninja.com. Use the link that is in my subscription or in my description below, and you'll be helping both of us out. You get a free sign up, and I get a referral. Other than that, guys, news. I have started a Patreon. I'm doing more of the kids classes, code camps for kids. The Patreon, the funds go towards funding that venture. If you are interested in becoming a sponsor, go to the link in my description and become a patron. You will get special access, a special role in my Discord channel, which is also in the link in the description below. All my patrons get a special role, and also you get special flair added to my Reddit on the Reddit community. So if you guys would, if you guys want to sponsor, even if it's only $1 a month, it goes a long way. It shows how much you really rock with the channel, and I mean, who doesn't want to help kids? So if you guys can afford it, I really, really ask that you guys consider becoming a patron on my Patreon. Once again, the link is in the description below. Otherwise, guys, if you have no more questions, I think I'm going to call it a day. So thank you for everyone who has joined in live, everyone who was in the chat room, and for those of you who will be watching this application after it is finished uploading. So once again, guys, like, subscribe, follow me on social media, Twitter at MasterShake08. Follow my blog, JeromeParker.com. And other than that, guys, you guys have a nice day. It was great apping with you.